Okay, so that's how we get started with Midnight Rambler. This is the guitar that's in open G. So you got to take your E down to D, take your A down to G, take this little E down to D also. We don't really use the big string. So we got a capo on the 4th fret on this. We're going to start it with this rhythm. Okay, so we got like the 5th and 4th strings. I'm bringing that 2 in on the 4th string there. And what we have here is with the capo, it's like 5, 6, 7. Going to 5, 6, 5. Sometimes I use the pinky. And then we get into this. So we're looking at this as our 5th fret with the capo, 5s with 7. So it's a real easy way to do these honky-tonk chords when you got this tuning going. So once again we had. And the first time we're gonna go. So bum-ba-dee-da, bum-ba-dee-da. Now second time, we're gonna do like a. So that was bum-bum, and then that's 12 to 13, but we're kind of looking at that as like an 8 to 9. And then that same thing there. Now the third time, we're gonna go. So we go to that pinky. Okay, you put them all together, you got. Okay, then we're gonna flip it around and go. So we had that 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 5. But that's gonna be at the beginning of the measure now. Here you can do like some 5s, you could do like the middle 2 strings or maybe 3 strings there. 5s to 3s, and then typical honky-tonk thing on the open there. So we got. And I also think you could go kind of opens to 3 there. And then we'll get into like a bum, bum. So we have a 3 to 4 on the A string, which is the G string now, you know, but it's like. You can kind of throw in that bass note if you want. So a few times of that, and then we get back to the. Okay, that same kind of stuff. Now, this is like from the live version, and there's a ton of stuff going on, like a lot of feel shifts and things like that. So when we get kind of past the 2 times of that first kind of verse chorus thing, we got the. Now it starts to get into a straight feel, so it's like. And then it gets into like. Kind of into those middle 3s there. And then it gets into like a. So I'm doing the middle 5s, middle 3s, hammering into that 4th fret of the third string there. So we got kind of a fast bit like that, and then it kind of slows down after a while. So you got 5s to 5/4. You can kind of do that hammer thing again. Gets real slow. And then we get into like a kind of like the 4 middle strings, 5s there. We got that bass and then high chords. Boom. Boom. Okay, so it does that a few times, and then it turns around to that. So it's like opens, and these are triplets. 1 and a 2, 0, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 0, 2. And that's like our 10s to 5s. If we're thinking about the capo, it's really like 14 to 9, right? So triplets, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Okay, then we get into like a we're back. Okay, we gotta get into a. So for this last chord, you can do like the 5 strings there, with a 3 on that little one. Makes it like a G7 type thing there. Okay, so once again, a little review. We got. Flip it around. We get that going. You got. Do all that stuff again, and then we kind of have that. Getting that quick, straight feel. You can kind of have like a 0-3 open on that. And then it kind of slows down. Like I say, there's tons of parts to this, and it really changes a lot. It's a really interesting live version there. And then you got the with some stops. Then you got we got that triplet thing. Then we get the and then we're back to kind of the beginning parts, and then it ends with that. All right, Midnight Rambler, Rolling Stones. Let me know what Rolling Stones tune you would want to learn next. Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace out.